All right, Lauren, we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you very much. So we are live right now at Cape Coral Hospital to do some in-depth coverage of what the coronavirus is doing in our state. And it depends really on where you look. The headlines today is that Florida has the most new cases of any state in the country, but that's not necessarily how it's going everywhere. Here at Lee Health, for example, they are seeing new patients with the virus, but the increase has been very steady. In the last 2 weeks, it's gone up by about 14 cases. So that's not a lot, but in other places, the increase is much bigger. Still, the governor says reopening the state is not to blame here. Let's get right to Jessica Alpern. She's taking a look at what health experts say needs to happen now before it's too late.
Well, from limiting gatherings to wearing a face mask, health experts say states like ours need to get a handle on this spike before it gets any worse. University of Washington modelers now predict our daily death toll from the coronavirus will spike very steeply in September, and now say more than 200,000 Americans will be killed by COVID-19 by October 1st. They believe that's due to increased mobility and premature relaxation, leading to upticks in states like Florida and Arizona. Florida leads the U.S. in new coronavirus cases. Our daily total of cases soared past 2,700 yesterday. With COVID-19 hospitalizations now at an all-time high, health experts warn we need to act now.
These models are not inevitable. Our actions today have a huge effect.
She adds that masks are key. It's why some airlines now say they'll ban passengers who won't wear one. Still, President Trump says masks won't be mandatory at his upcoming rally in Tulsa, where they're now looking to add an overflow venue. One Florida epidemiologist is encouraging young people in our state to stop gathering in groups.
We've been watching the number of cases very closely. There is too much community transmission going on.
But the governor has maintained his position that this uptick we're seeing is due to an increase in testing of farm workers, for example, and not because Florida reopened too soon. Jessica Alpern, Fox 4, in your corner.